Ooh, 735 pages. Dang. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today I'm going to do an unboxing and unwrapping. Basically, I'm doing the Cscs training. That's the Certified Strength and Conditioning Specialist training course. And why do I want to be a Cscs? Well, mainly I want to be able to learn more about bodybuilding, about getting fit, getting in shape, and ultimately not only doing that for myself but helping others, helping you guys from what I've learned. And the other reason is, from what I hear, Cscs is one of the hardest certifications, fitness certifications to go through. And with me, you know, anything that's challenging and uncomfortable, I want to be able to tackle and see if I'm able to overcome it and complete it. But like I said, in the end, it's mainly so I can learn more, be able to be more educated about getting fit, maintaining that fitness level, and ultimately helping others do the same. And part of my growth in this channel and being able to provide valuable information for you guys in the realm of fitness and fat loss, losing weight, building muscle, that kind of thing. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and unwrap. So I ordered these materials over in Amazon. You can actually purchase these in the actual website where it's accredited, the training, which is the NSCA, the National Strength and Conditioning Association. So if you're undergoing any type of certification training, fitness training like so, and you want to get accredited to the NSCA, then go through them. But like I said, the material's there too, but I decided to go through Amazon because I trust Amazon and the shipping is much faster than it would be through the website. So after that, go ahead and unwrap. Typical Prime wrapper. Careful when you're cutting this because this is paper bag, so you cut through the book. Okay, so this is the exercise technique manual for resistance training. This is actually not a requirement, but I decided to get this as well. That way, I mean, I know how to work out. I would say I'm at intermediate level, but I want to be advanced. So teaches you form, basics of how to lift, that kind of stuff. It's got 70 exercises with online video of the correct and incorrect technique. So although, like I said, I'm an intermediate level right now, I would say I want to be more advanced, and more importantly, I want to be able to work out without getting injured, and also work out in a way that will maximize my muscle gains and fat loss, all the benefits it can take, but more importantly also be able to help others make sure that they're practicing proper form and proper technique whenever I finally can train others. So that's that. But like I said, that's optional. I'm an overachiever, what can I say? Alright, so I've got the actual material for this training. I used to unbox everything without this bad boy, and although you can, I just think this is much easier to have a box cutter. Alright, typical bubble wrap. And there it is, hardcover. Boom. Essentials of Strength Training and Conditioning. This is the main material, the main book to be a CSCS, and this is a study material right here. So let's go ahead and unwrap, check this out, being very careful not to. This is where I can probably use now. Actually, don't want to ruin any pages. So this obviously will be something I'm going to keep forever and reference as I go, even when I finally get certified, which it's actually extensive, and that's the other reason why it's very legit. It's not like something you can just do online and then hope for the best, because there's other training out there that may be similar, but this being an NSCA certified course or accredited course, I think it's very legit. So fresh book smell. Got the online code here. I want to do that, but I want to have something tangible. I can do all this and get it cheaper online, obviously, and just go through the online training, but there's something about learning through the book. I want to be able to highlight, write notes, something tangible, and to me it's easier to flip than actually looking at my iPad and reading through that. It's hard to take notes that way, in my opinion. So I'd rather do it old school and use the book. So it's got contents here, 24 chapters. Ooh, 735 pages. Dang. I mean, it's got the index, include the index, but yeah, it's total 735 pages. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. Yeah, kind of intimidating, but that's why I like it. So yeah, it's got structure and function of body systems, biomechanics, energetics, words I've never heard before, psychology of athletic preparation, basic nutrition factors in health, etc., etc. Very comprehensive, very detailed. Looks like I am going to have quite a few weeks or months learning all this. Alright, well, that's it. Actually, I haven't opened this. Yeah, let's see what that looked like. Well, it's brand new stuff. I don't want to scratch it or tear it. It's brand new. Come on. There we go. Come on. This is why I buy hardcover books. I worry about tearing this too easily, but this is all they got. So, okay. Got photos and stuff. Shows you how to use proper form. Multi-joint exercises. Alright. Alright, so yeah. Looks like it's going to be a busy few months. But in the meantime, yeah, I'm going to share what I've been learning. And then until the day I actually take the test, I'm going to go through some study quizzes and flashcards and all this study stuff that I have to come back to. It's been a while since I've been in college. So speaking of college, so that's the other requirements for this training. Not anybody can just be a CSCS. For one, not only is it supposedly really difficult, but you have to have prerequisites, and one of those prerequisites is to already have a bachelor's degree, a higher education degree, not just a high school degree or associates. You need an actual bachelor and up. Fortunately, I have one, and it's any bachelor's degree, so I have a bachelor's in business or organizational leadership. But that's one prerequisite I can check off, so I can actually do this. The other requirements are having an AED certification and CPR certification, but I think that's standard for any type of fitness certification you guys go through, whether it's personal training or group fitness or whatever, you have to have those, and that is relatively easy. I've done that through the military already. I just have to do it again on an online training program. So for that, you have to have that, or else they won't give you your certificate for the CSCS if you pass the test, even, you know. So you have to have those. But I'll do that last. So I'll make sure I have to get this first before I do that, because I feel that I'll be able to get that quicker than this training, you know. So and the test itself is through the NSCA. So I think their test is like 400 some bucks. You know, this one cost me total 180 in Amazon. The book was like 100, and then this little dinky thin paper crap book is like 80 bucks. So it's an investment, but I think in the long run, it's an investment in health, investment in being able to help others. I think it will pay back in dividends, because I obviously want to have my business on this as well. So being in YouTube as part of a business, and this hopefully getting clients someday, being a coach to some clients, and maybe high profile clients eventually is kind of what I want to get to, you know, be able to work in the film industry in Hollywood, be able to be one of those Hollywood coaches to the stars. That's long term though. Long term goal, maybe someday. And if not, I am perfectly fine with helping, you know, normal people. As always, you know, it takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. So if you like what you see and you want to support the channel, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Until the next video, see you then. Bye.